Hello, everyone. Welcome to Text Tutor Pro, where we learn English through stories and real lives. Today's lesson is about a very famous man, Thomas Edison. He was an inventor, a person who creates new things. You will learn English by listening to his life story. We will also learn new words, useful sentences, and one simple grammar rule. So, are you ready? Let's begin the story. Thomas Edison, the man who never gave up. Childhood story. Thomas Edison was born in 1847 in Ohio, USA. He was a small boy with big dreams. When Edison was young, he liked to ask many questions. He wanted to know how things worked, like clocks, toys, and machines. Sometimes, adults became tired of his questions. At school, Edison was not a top student. His teacher said he was slow and lazy. They even told his mother that he could not learn well. But his mother did not agree. She believed in her son. She decided to teach him at home. Edison studied many books and did small science experiments in his home. Now, let's learn a few new words. Dream, something you want to do in the future. Example, my dream is to speak English fluently. Experiment, a small test to learn or discover something new. Example, I made a science experiment with water and salt. Phrase, believe in yourself, meaning, trust that you can do it. Repeat after me. I believe in myself. Never stop learning. Early life and struggles. When Edison was a teenager, he started selling newspapers and candy on trains. He was very curious and loved to read books during his free time. He also set up a small science lab in one train carriage. One day, a fire started because of his experiment. He lost his job, but he didn't stop learning. Later, Edison lost most of his hearing. He could not hear well. But that did not stop him either. He once said, I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that don't work. Now, let's learn some words. Curious, wanting to know or learn more. Example, children are curious about everything. Fail, to not succeed. Example, I failed the exam, but I will try again. Phrase, don't give up, meaning, keep trying, even when it's hard. Repeat after me. I will not give up. I can try again. Inventions and success. Edison's hard work continued. He became a great inventor. He created many useful things. His most famous invention is the electric light bulb. Before that, people used candles or oil lamps for light. But Edison's light bulb changed the world. He also helped create the phonograph, the first sound recorder, and the movie camera. These inventions changed how people lived, listened, and watched. Edison worked day and night. He said, genius is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration. That means success is mostly hard work. Now, vocabulary time. Inventor, someone who creates new things. Example, Edison was a great inventor. Light bulb, an object that gives light when electricity passes through it. Hard work, doing your best effort for a long time. Phrase, hard work pays off, meaning, if you work hard, good things will happen. Repeat after me. Hard work pays off. I can learn something new every day. Edison's habits and attitude. Edison loved his work. He didn't count how many hours he worked. Sometimes, he forgot to eat or sleep. He also worked with a team. He said teamwork is very important for success. Even when his experiments failed, he smiled and tried again. He believed that failure is not the end, it's just a lesson. Vocabulary time. Teamwork, working together with others. Example, good teamwork makes success easy. Lesson, something you learn from experience. Example, every mistake is a lesson. Phrase, failure is a part of success, meaning, we learn from our mistakes. Repeat after me. Failure is a part of success. I will smile and try again. Grammar practice. Let's learn some grammar from Edison's story. We will learn the past simple tense. We use the past simple to talk about things that happened before. Examples from the story. Edison was born in 1847. He worked very hard. He invented the light bulb. He failed many times. He succeeded in the end. Practice time. Repeat slowly. I worked hard yesterday. I learned English last week. I tried again and succeeded. Conversation practice. Let's do a short English speaking practice. If someone asks, "Who was Thomas Edison?" you can say, "He was an inventor." If someone asks, "What did he invent?" you can say, "He invented the light bulb." If someone asks, "Did he fail?" you can say, "Yes, he failed many times." If someone asks, "Did he give up?" you can say, "No, he never gave up." Now it's your turn. Try saying these questions and answers aloud. Speak slowly and clearly. Remember, practice makes you better every day.